So hi friends, welcome to TP Chennai. In this video we will see the continuation of our RRB Clerical Mains 2020 memory based paper. So in my first two video we have seen arithmetic question, we have seen two set of DI also. In this video we will see one cascade DI which they have asked, approximation questions as well as wrong number series. So first we will see cascade DI. So it was based upon pizzas and burgers, right? So two shops A and B sells pizza and burger only on Sunday and Monday. A and B two shops are there. Both of them were selling burgers and pizza on both the days, Sunday and Monday. So based upon that, I will just draw this one. So A is there, B is there. I am writing here Monday, then Sunday, here Monday, and then Sunday. In short, two shops are there, A and B. This is I am writing pizza, and this is nothing but burger. Right? The number of pizzas sold by shop B on Sunday was 64. Shop B on Sunday. Which one? Pizza. This one is nothing but 64. Right? While reading, we have to put the value, which is equal to the number of burgers. This burger sold by shop A on Sunday. This part, so these two values are same, right? 64, 64. The number of burgers sold by shop A on Monday. Shop A on Monday is 20% more. What is 20% fraction value? 1 by 5. More than number of pizza sold by shop A on Monday. Pizza, so this is 5x means this is 6x. Right? The number of pizza sold by shop A on Sunday is 40 more than number of pizza sold by shop B on Sunday. Shop B on Sunday pizza is 64. Pizza shop A on Sunday is 40 more. 64 plus 40 is 104. Right? The average number of pizza sold by shop A on Sunday, Monday. Pizza sold by shop A on Sunday, Monday. Okay. And burger sold by shop B on Monday is 120. So total will be how much? Sunday, Monday, and so another Monday. So 3. So 120 into 3, 360. So this is nothing but 360 minus which part? This part. The average number of pizzas sold by shop A on Sunday, Monday, and burger sold by shop B on Monday. So this part we don't know. So this part will be total minus this only. Total is nothing but 360 minus 5x plus 104. Right? So this is how much? 360 minus 104 is 256 minus 5x. Which one? This part. 256 minus 5x. Clear? Step by step I am writing. The total number of pizzas sold were 400. Total number of pizza, this part totally 400. So this part will be how much? Add this value, right? 104 plus 64 is how much? 168. 400 minus 168 is 232. 232 minus 5x is this part. Right? So this part we need to calculate. For that they have mentioned the total number of pizzas sold were 400, which were 50 less than total number of burgers sold. That means it is how much? 450. So this part we know. Burgers of shop A on Monday, Sunday we know, as well as burgers of shop B on Monday we know. So Sunday is nothing but 450 minus this part. So add this value. So 450 minus this is 6x plus 64 plus 256 minus 5x. Right? So this is how much? This is x. 256 plus 64 is how much? 320. 450 minus 320 is 130. 130 minus x. Minus 6x plus x minus x. So this part is 130 minus x. Clear? Now last line. Number of burgers and pizzas sold by shop B were 352. Shop B. This part total is 352. Add this value first. So 232 minus 5x plus 64 plus 256 minus 5x plus 130 minus x is equal to 352. Right? 232 minus 5x minus 5x minus 10x minus x minus 11x. Okay, before that. But 232 plus 64 is how much? 296. 296 plus so 296 plus this is 386 minus 11x is equal to 352. So this is how much? 11x will go in RHS. This is how much? 330. Because this is 12, 296 plus 386 is how much? 6, 6, 12, 18, 682 minus 352. Yeah, it is 330. Right, this part is 330. So x is equal to how much? 30. X is equal to 30 we got. Now we have to fill that table. Right? So this part is 5x, so 150. 6x, 180. So this I am erasing. 130 minus x, x is equal to how much? 30. So this is 100. 232 minus 5x. 5x is 150. So this is how much? 232 minus 150, which is how much? 82. This is 82. This is 256 minus 150. How much? 106. That means table is over. Clear? Now we will see the question. What is the sum of number of pizzas sold by Monday? Pizza sold on Monday by shop A, 150. And the number of burgers sold by shop B on Monday. Burger shop B on Monday, 106. What is the answer? 256, which is nothing but third option. Clear? Now we'll see next question. Number of pizzas sold by shop B on Monday. Number of pizzas sold by shop B on Monday. Shop B on Monday pizza. 82 is what percentage of number of burgers sold by shop A on Monday? Shop A burger on Monday. 180 into 100. 25s are 29s are. So this is 410 by 9. 9 4s are 36. 9 5s are 45 point something. So we have to see the option. So when you see the option, what is your answer? Only one option is that is nothing but fourth option. So fourth option is the correct answer. Clear? Now we'll see third question. So now we'll see question number 3. What is the average number of burgers sold by shop B on Sunday and number of pizzas sold by shop A on Sunday? Burger sold by shop B on Sunday and pizza sold by shop A on Sunday. Right? Burger shop B on Sunday. Burger shop B on Sunday is how much? 160. This is nothing but 100. This is 100. And pizza sold by shop A on Sunday. Sold by shop A on Sunday, 104. So average they are asking. Average is nothing but sum by total. So 204 by 2. What is the answer? 102, which is nothing but second option. Clear? Next question. If shop A sold every burger for rupees 25 and every pizza for rupees 50, what was the revenue generated by shop A on Sunday and Monday? Shop A burger total. And then pizza by same shop. On both that is total. Right? Burger shop A. How much? 180 plus 64 is 244. So 244 into each burger is selling for 25 rupees. So total will be 244 into 25. This is how much? 244,000 divided by 4. 4 6 of 6,100. Right? Then pizza by shop A. How much? 254. 254. And each pizza he is selling for rupees 50. So total will be 254 into 50. 0 will be the 20. 12,700 plus 6,100. What is the answer? 18,800. Fourth option. Clear, na? So this was a question which they have asked last year, right? You can easily solve this type of questions and all. Only thing is reading is the main thing, right? Now we will see approximation question. First one, 24.998 into 6.02 into question mark is equal to 3599. Right? So this is nothing but 25. This is 6 into question mark. This is 3519 is nothing but 3600. So 6, this is how many times? 600 times. Question mark is equal to 600 by 25. 25 to the 54. What is the answer? 24. Second option. Clear? Next one. Square root of question mark into 9.01 plus 5.99% of 249 is equal to 78. Right? This is how much? Square root of question mark into 9 plus, this is 6% of 250. 6% of 250 is equal to 78. 6% of 250 is nothing but how much? If you divide this one by 2, multiply this one by 2, 3% of 500 which is 15, 15 will go there. So question mark into 9 is equal to 78 minus 15 which is how much? 63. And 9 sevens are. So question mark inside square root question mark is equal to 7. So question mark is equal to 7 square which is 49. Answer is nothing but 49 which is third option. Clear? So now we'll see question number 3. 194.031 plus 1549.02 plus 49.06 is equal to question mark. Right? So this is nothing but 194. This is nothing but 1549 if you keep, no problem. Plus this is 49. Right? Add all the value. Very simple one. So 9 plus 4, 13 plus 9, 22. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 9, 19. This is 15 plus 2, 17. 1792. Fourth option is the correct answer. Clear? Now we will see question number 4. 75% of 541 minus 45.09 by 8.0 is equal to question mark. So 75% of 541 minus 40.09 divided by 8.01 is equal to question mark. 75% fraction value is 3 by 4. this make it 540 minus this is 45 by 8 is equal to question mark. Right, so 4 13s are 52 5s are. This is how much? 405. This is so this divided by 8 is overall actually. Okay, this is nothing but overall. So 75% of 541 minus 45.09 divided by 8.01 is equal to question mark. This divided by 8.01 is overall, right? So this is 3 by 4 of 540 minus 45 by 8 is equal to question mark, right? This is how much? 135. This is 405 minus 45 by 8. This is 360 by 8. What is the answer? 45, which is nothing but third option. Clear? So I hope you got the concept of these 4 questions which they have asked in last year paper. Right? Now we will see wrong number series. So first question. 1992, 965, 901, 776, 556, 217. Right? So we need to find out the wrong number. So when you see the series here, 1992 to 965. So it is not that much increment is there. So difference is how much? Minus 8. Difference is how much? Minus 27. Difference is how much? Minus 64. Now here itself we have to understand what is going on. 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube. This is 5 cube. So 125. Right? If you subtract 125, this is correct only. Right? 7 minus 2, 5. So 2 cube, correct. 3 cube is 27. This is also correct. This is nothing but how much? If you add correct only, 556 plus this number is nothing but how much? So problem is here, right? Problem is here. You are not going to get 556. This is a wrong number. No need to calculate. We have to just find out what is the wrong number. Clear? Second one. 56, 70, 54, 64, 44, 60, 38. Right? So this, when you see the alternate series here, this is minus 6, this is nothing but minus 4. Here only problem is there. Right? So 60 is the wrong number. Clear? Now we'll see question number 3. 5, 16, 29, 46, 63, 88, 117. Right? Difference is not increasing fast. That means difference is how much here? Plus 11. Difference is how much here? Plus 13. Difference is how much here? Plus 17. This is not odd number. This is prime number. Next prime number is how much? 19. What is 46 plus 19? 65. Next is also 23. This is 29. So my wrong number is nothing but 63. In the place of 63, 65 will be there. Clear? Next one. 10, 6, 3.5, 5, 16, 120, 1904. Right? 10 half. 10 half is 5, 5 plus something, again half, so that means multiplication by 0.5 something going on. So here I am not getting the logic. This as we see here, this is into 4 minus 4, this is into 8 minus 8, this is into 16 minus 16. So into 16, half is 8, half is 4, so this will be into 2 minus 2. 3.5 into 2 is 7, 7 minus 2 is 5, this is correct. Here it should be into 1 minus 1. But into 1 minus 1 will not come. Here it should be into 0.5 minus 0.5. So that means here it should be 4.5. So my wrong number is 6, which is nothing but fourth option. Clear? So now we'll see last question, fifth one. 6, 17, 49, 149, 446, 30, 37, 4010. Right? So here numbers are increasing fast. That means it follows multiplication logic. This is into 3 minus 1. This is, I don't know, right? This is again into 3 minus 1 because 9 is a 27 minus 1 is 6. This is again into 3 minus 1. 6 is a 18 minus 1, 17. This is again into 3 minus 1. 7 is a 21 minus 1 is 0. That means up to here process is correct. Problem is here. It should also be into 3 minus 1. If you keep here 50, 50 into 3 minus 1 is nothing but 149. That means my wrong number is 49, which is nothing but fifth option. So we have completed this last year memory based paper of IBPS RRB clerical, right? So you can observe we have solved all arithmetic question, all DI, 3 DI they have asked. One we have solved just now, case-rate DI based upon pizza and burger. One we have seen flat, right? Owner staying and rented. One we have seen male and female. Then we have seen approximation question. Then we have seen wrong number series. So please do subscribe TP channel YouTube channel for further updates and videos, and do share this video among your friends in Telegram, Instagram, Facebook and WhatsApp, and do comment about this video in the comment section. That is very important, right? So prepare well. All the best. Thanks a lot.